Hello my students, how are you? Today we will solve a lot of questions from معاصر book. Multiplicative choose questions, page 175. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following choose the identity property of multiplication? About multiplication properties here. 2 over 3 multiplied by 1 equal 2 over 3. We know 0 times 4 equals 0. And 4 times 5 times 5 over 4, it will be 1. He asked about the identity property about multiplication. We know identity property is 1. So we must choose letter B about this example. Question number 2. Which of the following choose the identity property of multiplication? Identity property here, it will be what? 3 over 7 times 4 over 4 plus, because 4 over 4 equal 1. 1 is the multiplicative identity. Okay, multiplicative identity 1. So the result will be 3 over 7 multiply 4 over 4. We must choose letter E. Question number 3. 2 over 5 equal space. We want to find the equivalent fraction about 2 over 5. 2 times 2 equal 4, 2 times 5 equal 10. So we must choose 4 over 10. We haven't 4 over 10 here. Okay, about 6 over 15, it's true because 2 times 3 equals 6 and 3 times 5 equal 15. Choose letter B. And 4 over 16 equal 6 over 16, we can simplify it by divided by 2. Here, divided by 2, 6 divided by 2 equal 3, and 16 divided by 2 equal 8. 3 over 8, we must choose letter D. Next question here. Question number 5. 4 over 12 equal what? We can simplify it by divided by 4. Okay, 4 divided by 4 equal 1, because 4 is the highest common factor. And 12 divided by 4 equal 3. 1 over 3. We haven't here 1 over 3, but we can complete this example by multiplication by 8. This example, 8 divided by 8 equal 1 and 24 divided by 8 equal 3. You must choose letter C about this example. Question number 6. 2 over 8. We can simplify it by divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 equal 1 and 8 divided by 2 equal 4. The result will be 1 over 4. Letter E. Question number 7 here. 3 over 4 equal what? Can simplify it or simplify all the result to find 3 over 4. We have 15 over 20. We can simplify it by divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 equal 3 and 20 divided by 5 equal 4. The result will be 3 over 4. The result will be letter D. Choose letter D. 15 over 20. Question number 8. 2 over 10. We can simplify it by divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 equal 1 and 10 divided by 2 equal 5. We haven't 5 here in the numerator and 1 in the numerator, but look at about letter B. 1 times 10 equal 10 and 5 times 10 equal 50. The result will be 10 over 50, letter B. Which fraction is equivalent 4 over 5? 4 over 5 we can find the equivalent about multiplication to about numerator and numerator. 2 times 4 equal 8 and 2 times 5 equal 10. The result will be 8 over 10. Okay, this question, which fraction is equivalent 21 over 49? 21 over 49, we can simplify it by divided by 7. About numerator and numerator, 21 divided by 7 equals 3 and 49 divided by 7 equals 7. The result will be letter D about this example. Next page here. Which of the following fraction is equivalent to 1? Equivalent to 1, 5 over 5 equal 1. What is the product? 5 here in the numerator. 3 over 5 times 3 over 3. 3 over 3 equal 1. 1 times 3 over 5, it will be 3 over 5. We must choose letter C because 3 over 3 equal 1. And 1 is the multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity 1. What is the missing denominators here? 3 over 4 equal 9 over space. 3 times 3 equal 9 and 3 times 4 equal 12. We must write 12 in denominator here. What is the missing numerator here? We have 25 over 35 divided by 5. 25 divided 35 equal what? 25 divided by 5 equal 5, and 35 divided by 5 equals 7. So we must write 5 here in numerator. And what about this example? What is the factor? You multiply to find the equivalent fraction 2 over 3. 2 over 3 here. Ask yourself, 2 times what equal 10? 2 times 5 equal 10, and 3 times 5 equal 15. So x will be equal 5. We must choose letter B about this example. Which of the following is not true? 5 over 15 equal 1 over 3. We can divide it by 5. 5 divided by 5 equal 1, and 15 divided by 5 equal 3. It will be true. And 1 over 6. Here, 1 times 3 equal 3. 3 times 6 equal 18. It's true. And 7 over 8 not equal to 8 over 7. So we must choose letter C because he asked about not true. Not true, letter C. And what about letter D? 3 over 3 equal 4 over 4 equal 1. So it will be true. You must choose here letter C about this example because he asked about not true. What about not true? Okay, next question here. Which of two fractions equivalent 24 over 36? He asked about what two fractions are equivalent in this example. Which two fractions are equivalent to 24 over 36? First, we can sum this 24 over 36 by divided by what? Divided by 4 or 6? Divided by 6. We know 24, we will solve it here, divided by 6, 36 divided by 6, or you can divide it by 12. Okay, yeah, because 12 is the least or highest common factor between them. 24 divided by 12 equal 2, and 36 divided by 12 equal 3. The result will be 2 over 3. We know 4 over 6, we can simplify it by divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 equal 2, and 6 divided by 2 equal 3. So it's equivalent. We must choose letter A. And what about 6 over 9? We can divide it by 3. 6 divided by 3 equal 2, and 9 divided by 3 equal 3. So it will be true. But 14 over 26, we can divide it by 2. It will be 13 over, it will be 7 over 13. 14 divided by 2 equals 7, and 26 divided by 2 equals 13. It will be true, false. So we must choose letter A and B. Complete with me. 12 over 24, we can simplify it by divided by 12. 12 divided by 12 equal 1, and 24 divided by 12 equal 2. And 22 over 34, we can divide it by 2. 22 divided by 2 equal 11, and 34 divided by 2 equals 17. Minna has 21 apples. 2/3 of the apples are green. 2/3 of the apples are green. Okay, again, 2/3 of the apples are green. How many apples are green? We asked about how many apples are green in this example. We can find the result by multiplication. 2 over 3 multiplied by 21. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. 7 times 2 equal what? Equal 14. So we have 14 green apples. Okay, the result will be 14. He asked about how many apples green here. We must choose letter D about this example.